In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your trading password on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open Webull, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says shortcuts. Then you're going to see this section that says settings. Please go ahead and press on it. Then select on account and security. From here, go ahead and scroll down. And underneath account security, you're going to see this option that says trading password. And you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. It will now provide you with the option to change your trading password, and this is incredibly useful, especially if it's been a long time since you used Webull or you forgot your password or anything like that. It happens to everyone, so you want to go ahead and just select on change trading password. So you need to go ahead and enter your old trading password if you know what it is, but if you forgot what it is, then you want to press over here where it says forgot trading password. All right, then afterwards, it is going to ask you to enter in your login details to Webull. So you need to enter your Webull account password, not your trading password. So remember, there is an account password, and those are two separate things. So you will enter in your account password, and then afterwards you will now have the option to set your brand new trading password. So make sure to go ahead and enter it in and make sure it is something you can remember. All right, and then afterwards you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.